These perfectly formed kernels of rice are essentially a crop that has been allowed to go to seed. After about 150 days of growth, the rice seed is ready for harvest. Machinery strips it from the stalks and also suctions out some of the empty husks. Trucks transport the rice to storage facilities. They empty it into a grated opening at the receiving pad. The graters filter out some of the larger stalks and debris. From the pita chain conveyor moves the rice up the storage silos and into the warehouse. Inside the storage facilities, fans blow air through the motion of rice to lower the moisture content substantially. With the rice substantially dried, it's onto the processing plant. Here a probe vacuums up samples from both the front and the back of the massive truck load. The probe delivers the samples to a lab. A technician first tests the moisture content to confirm that it's on target. He then transfers batches to a sifting pan to screen for bugs. Switches on a headlamp to wake them up. He shakes the rice and secretions. He also examines the tray underneath for tiny bugs that might have fallen through the holes. If he finds just one mud or beetle, the entire 5,500-pound truckload of rice will be rejected. Next, the rice falls through perforations in rolling cylinders, screening out the straw which spills over the side. The next machine sifts out the remaining straw bits and any wheat seed. It also suctions out empty rice husks. They are lightweight and pulled out with a weak vacuum. Finally, they remove mud balls. Free of contaminations, the rice now spills between the rubber rollers and moving faster than the other shares of the husks. The rice and empty husks then cascade into another machine. This is a demo version of the actual production one. Quick suctioning pulls out the husk to separate them from the heavy rice. The husking process misses a few kernels, so next giant softening machine screen out that rice. Still in the husks, it's bigger and doesn't pass through the holes in the shaking rice. They dehusk that rice and mix it with the rest. Grinding machines now mill the rice to remove the brain. The brain spills out of perforations and is recovered for use in cattle feed. With the brain removed, the rice goes from brown to white. The final grinding polishes the rice to give it a pearly sheen. This is the unmilled brown rice, and here it is with the brand removed. During milling, some rice kernels are damaged. The spinning template cylinder now separates the broken kernels from the whole ones. The broken rice kernels fall into the dimples of the cylinder and from there into an internal catch pane. They will be used to make cereal or beer. The whole rice now moves through a color sorter. Computerized cameras analyze it for dark imperfection and signal air nozzles to blast them out of the mix. Of course, there are also a market for unmilled brown rice. Now ready for packaging, a scraper moves it across the table and into plastic tubes below. Hot jaws seal the tubes at both ends and the rice is in the back. Brown or white, short or medium grade. There are plenty of options.